In this video, I will discuss what is a split primary color palette and why we should use it. In simple words, a split primary color palette includes both the warm and cool variations of each primary color. It helps us to mix a wider and more vibrant range of colors. Let us compare this to the most common primary palette, which consists of a warm red, a warm yellow, and a warm blue. The color wheel achieved via these colors only gives us bright oranges, but dull greens and purples. Another palette is the cool primary palette, which consists of magenta, yellow, and cyan. This color palette provides more vibrant greens than the warm palette. However, the other colors are quite dull. Therefore, we see that the split primary palette borrows the oranges from the warm palette and the greens from the cool palette. But there is still the matter of dull purples. So, to solve this problem, the purples in a split palette are formed by adding a cool red with a warm blue. And thus, we finally achieve a palette which has beautiful and brilliant colors. It is important to know how to mix vibrant colors, because we can always make more muted colors out of vibrant colors, but not the other way around. Therefore, the split primary palette increases the range of colors available at your disposal. I feel that purple is a slightly tricky color. I can perceive it as both warm and cool. I have made a handy chart here, showing various combinations of reds and blues, and the resulting purples. As we can see here, the most vivid purple is created by mixing a cool red and a warm blue. Initially, when I began painting, I used to get very frustrated with my purples. That's because I was using cadmium red and ultramarine blue to mix my purples. The result was very muddy violets, and nothing like what we're used to seeing in the art books. For comparison, this is what the purple from the tube looks like. I hope I've explained the split primary palette well. Thank you for watching.